Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll be doing this Rosy makeup tutorial. It's super easy and it's my everyday makeup, so I hope you guys love it, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm first starting with doing a face mask because I do want my face to be glowy, you know. So I'm using this Sugar Kitten Hydrating Holographic Peel Off Mask, which I love. So it did come with a silicone brush, and it also came with this a really cute unicorn headband. It's like a cat unicorn, but it's so cute. My skin has been really dry lately, so I've been using this and it does help me a lot. It moisturizes my skin and it hydrates it, and it feels really smooth. And I just think it's so cool because it changes colors, and I just love that because it's something different, you know. But this does have pearl and ruby powder, and this helps brighten the skin. It also has rose water, and this helps boost elasticity and calms irritation. You guys could find this at Ulta Beauty. I'll have everything linked down below, that way you guys could go ahead and check it out. So 20 minutes later, I'm back and I'm taking off my face mask, and my skin feels amazing. So I'm gonna take this off, and I do use it 2 times a week, by the way, just letting you guys know in case you guys are wondering. I am all finished with the face mask, and now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I never really do my eyebrows on camera. I'm always doing them off camera, but today I decided to do my eyebrows while I was filming. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you guys want me to continue doing my eyebrows when I'm doing my makeup. But I am using my Brow by Benefit, and I am in the shade number 5. For primer, I'm using this one by Covergirl, and it's the blurring primer. And for foundation, I'm using my all-time favorite, which is the L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm just applying this with my beauty blender. I'm using my Born This Way concealer by Too Faced to conceal. By the way, what do you guys think about my little white Christmas tree that's behind me? I think it's perfect for the holidays, and I just feel like it went perfect with everything. So yeah, I really like it, and I think it's really cute and small. Next, I am going to set everything, and I'm using my CoverFX translucent powder. I haven't used this in so long, and I forgot how good it was, but I actually don't even have any more, so I'm gonna go get a new one. For bronzer, I'm using my Chocolate Soleil bronzer by Too Faced, and I'm going to bronze my face. And for blush, I'm using Luminoso by Milani, and I'm applying a lot of this blush because it's so pretty and it's like the perfect rose blush, so I went really hard on this and I applied a lot, but you can't really tell because it's really soft and like subtle. So yeah, it won't be like really pink. It's just like a perfect rosy color. For the eyes today, I'm using a new palette. This one is the TooFaced Gingerbread Spice palette, and look at the colors. The palette is beautiful. But the first color I'm applying on my crease is called Gingerbread Latte. It's like a really light brown eyeshadow, so I'm placing this on the crease. This makeup look is super easy. Anyone could do it. I literally do it in like 10 minutes or so, but it doesn't take long and it's really pretty. A lot of you guys asked for a tutorial on it, so here I am. I hope you guys love it. For the eyelid color, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow that's called Oh Snap, and it's like a really nice mauvey pink eyeshadow, but it has like glitter in it. It's really pretty. You guys can't really see it on camera, but in person you could see the glitter and it's just so pretty. So I'm gonna be placing this all over my entire eyelid. Now I'm going in with my Morphe M433 and I'm just going to blend both colors together. I did go in with a little bit more color with the color that's called Oh Snap, and I just applied a tiny bit on my crease. That way both colors could be well blended. So now I'm just applying mascara, and my eyelashes look really weird because, you know, I don't really have eyelashes, but they're kind of growing again, so I'm really happy about that. But for the inner corner, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called Spiked Eggnog, which is like a really nice gold eyeshadow. So I'm placing this on the inner corner and on my brow bone. For lips, I'm going to be using this lip liner by NYX, and it's in the color Natural, and I really love it. Actually, it's becoming one of my favorites. But anyways, I'm going to be doing that. And then for lipstick, well, I'm not using lipstick today. I'm using this gloss by Benefit, and it's from their Punch Pop collection, and it's called Sugar Cookie, and I am obsessed with this lip combo. To finish up this look, I'm going to set my makeup, and I'm using my Covergirl setting spray. But I am all done with this makeup tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video. I've been on it since I was 3 years old.